Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to possibly fix your black screen issues on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Now, if it's completely black like this, go to your power button and press this down like 10 times in a row, just like this, and then hold it down. And you want to hold this down for at least like 20 seconds to see if it actually turns on. Now, if it doesn't turn on, there could be another issue with it, where the battery on it is completely drained, and that's the reason why it's not turning on. Now, another thing that you could do is try holding down the power button for a little bit longer, maybe like 30 seconds, and repeat the process. Or press the power button down and hold down like the volume up key for 20 seconds or the volume down key for 20 seconds. Just try all these different combinations with the power button. Now, most of the time when I do have an issue with the black screen, I have to plug it into the wall outlet just like this. And since the battery is completely drained, I want to leave it plugged in for approximately 3 or 4 hours before I try turning it back on again. So plug it into the wall outlet, charge up your battery, make sure you're getting a really good charge with it, and then try holding down the power button right here on top and see if it will turn on after that. Otherwise, you could try charging overnight. So right before you go to bed, plug it in, and then when you wake up in the morning, after like a 9-hour charge, try turning it on and see if that works.